Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Buddy Canine, and today I am going to tell you about 43 cool facts about dogs that you should know. At about 6 inches, the Chihuahua is the shortest breed. Irish Wolfhounds, the tallest breed, are 30 to 35 inches tall. A Russian dog named Laika was the first animal in space, traveling around Earth in 1957. Miniature Schnauzers, Cairn Terriers, Yorkshire Terriers, Fox Terriers and West Highland White Terriers are the dogs who bark the most. Puppies have 28 teeth and adult dogs have 42 teeth. The best age to bring a puppy home is 8 to 12 weeks. Dogs aren't colorblind, but their eyes don't have receptors for red. They see in the shades of black and white and also in shades of blue and yellow. Dogs have 3 eyelids, including one to keep their eyes moist and protected. Highly trainable dog breeds like Golden Retrievers, Labrador Retrievers, German Shepherds and Collies are more kid-friendly than some other breeds. Bichons, Portuguese water dogs, Kerry Blue Terriers, Maltese and Poodles are all good choices if you have allergies, since they shed less than other breeds. As Disney's Cruella de Vil was aware, Dalmatian puppies are born pure white and develop spots as they grow older. Chow Chows are born with pink tongues which turn blue-black at 8 to 10 weeks. Dogs are pack animals. They don't enjoy being alone. A bloodhound named Tigger holds the record for the longest ears, each measuring more than 13 inches. In ancient China, people kept warm by putting dogs up their sleeves. The Alaskan Malamute can withstand temperatures as low as 70 degrees below zero. Petting a dog can lower your blood pressure. The Basenji is the only barkless dog. Over half of dog owners include their dogs in annual holiday photos. Dachshunds were originally bred to fight badgers. The Border Collie, Poodle and Golden Retriever are considered the world's most smartest breed. Spiked dog collars were used to protect dogs' throats from wolf attacks in ancient Greece. Walt Disney's family dog named Sunny was the inspiration behind Lady and the Tramp. Chihuahuas are born with soft spots in their skulls, just like human babies. A dog's whiskers are used as sensing devices. Many foot disorders in dogs are caused by long toenails. Max, Jake, Maggie and Molly are the most popular dog names. Dogs are direct descendants of wolf. Puppies are blind, deaf and toothless when born. Dogs can get jealous when their humans display affection toward someone or something else. Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other diseases in humans. 3 of the 12 dogs on the Titanic survived. Unlike humans who sweat everywhere, dogs only sweat through the pads of their feet. Dogs' eyes contain a special membrane called the tapetum lucidum, which allows them to see in the dark. Saint Bernard is the heaviest of all puppies. The fashionable poodle was at the start used as a water retriever. His call comes from the German language pudel, which means to splash in the water. 80% of owners document that their dog likes to watch TV with them. The friendship bond between dogs and humans is more potent than with another animal within the world. Your dog is as smart as a 2-year-old toddler. Carvings of dogs that resemble greyhounds are in Egyptian tombs dating back to 2900 BC. The oldest breed that we realize is known as the Saluki, owned by using historic Egyptians thought for use as hunting dogs. Dogs have been domesticated about 15,000 years ago. In the United Kingdom, in the course of 16th century, a number of dogs drowned in heavy rains, and that is in which the pronouncing "it's raining cats and dogs" come from. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.